Hi everyone, you are tuned to Digital Avi. This is 18th episode in the series of WordPress tutorials, and in this particular episode we will see how you can change the block editor of WordPress into the classic editor of WordPress. So this is how the block editor of WordPress looks like. After the recent update in WordPress, the classic editor of WordPress was changed into block editor. But most of us have the habit of working in the classic editor, and now most of us are uncomfortable in working in the block editor. So in this video we will see how you can convert the block editor into the old version, which is classic editor. So for this we have to install a plugin named classic editor. So in the left sidebar, go to plugins and click on add new. Here you can see the plugin classic editor in the featured plugins. So what you have to do is click on the button install now, and our plugin has started installing, and then click on activate. Now the classic editor plugin is activated. Now let's see how the changes of installing this plugin have reflected on the block editor. We will refresh this page. Now as you can see, the block editor is converted back into the classic editor of WordPress. And now the people who are uncomfortable in working on the block editor version can successfully and comfortably work in the classic editor version of the WordPress. So that's all for this video. I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed, and subscribe to Digital Avi.